Battery, power adapter, or power over Ethernet, which should you choose to power your home security cameras? In this video, we're going to walk you through different security camera power options and help find the right one for you. 3 power options of ieGeek camera. Battery power. Power adapter. Power over Ethernet. Which power option is right for you? Number 1. Battery power. Without worrying about the limitations of power cords, you can install the camera more flexibly and without being restricted by power outlets, install it wherever you need with ease. The battery-powered camera supports both USB and solar panel charging, offering users flexibility and reliability. They can choose between USB for regular use and solar panel for outdoor or off-grid situations. The following are recommendations for battery cameras. If you don't require camera rotation functionality, ZS GX3S would be a great choice. ZS GX4S offers optimized pixel resolution with a 5-megapixel ultra-high-definition lens and supports 355-degree pan and 120-degree tilt. For monitoring in areas without Wi-Fi, ZY G14G LTE camera is available, eliminating the need for a Wi-Fi connection. All battery cameras support solar panel charging. Number 2. Power adapter. Power adapter camera is a commonly used plug-in surveillance system for homes, providing stable power with minimal maintenance required once plugged in. However, cameras need to be installed near power outlets, and outdoor installations may require extension cables. Power adapter camera ensures uninterrupted recording around the clock, relying on stable electricity rather than batteries, eliminating concerns about battery depletion or recording interruptions. The following are recommendations for power adapter cameras. If you require monitoring in low-light conditions that require illumination, the ZY E12600 lumen floodlight camera is sure to assist you. The ZS GQ2 Spotlight camera PTZ supports 355 degrees pan and 120 degrees tilt, providing comprehensive surveillance without blind spots. The ZS GQ4 offers pixel upgrades, capturing more details with its 5MP resolution. Number 3. Power over Ethernet. A power over Ethernet camera only requires a single cable for both power and data transmission, eliminating the need to position the camera near power outlets or wire it separately. The NVR can power multiple cameras simultaneously, and once connected successfully, you can view multiple monitoring devices simultaneously on the monitor. You can also add devices on your phone and view them in the app. The IE92 Power over Ethernet camera system includes 4 surveillance cameras, each catering to various monitoring needs across different scenarios. Additionally, the NVR comes with a built-in 2 TB hard disk drive, ensuring ample storage capacity for continuous recording. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more new products and updates. Tell us what videos to do next in the comments below.